This is a 2005 Nissan Titan. This truck has a 5-speed automatic transmission and a 5.6-liter V8. Its top features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, a limited slip differential, power adjustable driver pedals, heated seats, a premium audio system, aluminum wheels, a spray-on bed liner, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, air conditioning, cruise control, a CD player, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, fog lamps, rear impact crumple zones, heated side view mirrors, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. Not to mention that this truck qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. This vehicle won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.